You know that pit in your stomach feeling when you're at the grocery store checkout, totally sweating over whether your Tennessee WIC card has enough balance for that last item? Welcome to this explainer. Today we are going to completely eliminate that guesswork for you. By the time we wrap up, you'll know exactly how to turn your smartphone into a real-time tracking machine for your family's benefits. Trust me, it's going to save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress.
So let's get real for a second and start with a massive question. Do you know exactly what is on your eWIC card right now, like right this very minute? If you're like most people, the answer is probably a very hesitant, I think so? But when we're talking about your family's grocery budget, guessing just doesn't cut it. We're going to show you how to have absolute 100% certainty before you even step foot in the aisle.
And really, this is what it's all about, right? The Tennessee WIC program is literally a game changer for families, making sure everyone has access to healthy, nutritious food. Actually, it's a huge pillar of the state's health plan focus on nutrition security. It's a critical tool meant to give kids a healthy head start with fresh produce and all the essentials. All right, here's our roadmap for today's explainer. We're covering a welcome to the program, why your balance matters so much, setting up the WIC Shopper app, alternative ways to check, some awesome pro tips, and wrapping up with a quick summary. Let's hit it. Section 1, Welcome to Tennessee WIC. Let's just do a super quick refresher on exactly who this program is meant for today. You probably know this if you're already enrolled, but to recap, it supports pregnant, postpartum, or breastfeeding moms, plus kids under the age of 5. You've got to be a Tennessee resident, meet the income guidelines, and have a qualifying nutritional or medical need. Basically, if you check these boxes, this incredible program is here to help your family thrive. And honestly, the state has completely modernized how the whole thing works. If you used WIC years ago, you probably remember awkwardly fumbling with those paper vouchers at the register. Well, thank goodness those days are over. Now, your benefits load straight onto a super convenient electronic benefit transfer, or eWIC card. It works exactly like a debit card, making checkout way faster and way more discreet. Moving right along to Section 2, Why Your Balance Matters. And more specifically, we really need to talk about the midnight expiration rule, because this is where tracking your digital balance is absolutely critical. Here's the deal. WIC isn't just regular cash. Regular cash, you can save it forever, spend it on whatever. WIC is totally different. It uses what's called a categorical prescription model. That's a fancy way of saying you aren't just looking at a dollar amount, you have highly specific limits, like exactly how many juice bottles, ounces of cereal, or gallons of milk you can buy. Trying to guess what's left in those complex categories is a nightmare, which is why a visual app is your best friend. Okay, listen up, because this is the absolute most critical rule for your wallet. If you do not use your benefits, you lose them. They vanish at midnight on the very last day of your monthly cycle, and there is absolutely zero rollover to the next month. This right here is the #1 reason why checking your real-time balance on your phone is basically required. You want to squeeze every single drop of benefit out of that card before the clock strikes 12. So let's make sure you never lose a cent. Section 3, Setting up WIC Shopper. Let's walk through a super easy tutorial on how to get the officially recommended app running on your phone. Seriously, don't worry if you aren't a tech person. This takes like 2 minutes, just 3 steps. First, jump into the App Store or Google Play Store, search for WIC Shopper and hit download. Second, open it up and pick Tennessee from the agency list. And third, grab your physical T and WIC card and punch in that 16-digit number right on the front. Boom, you've just turned your phone into a live benefit ledger. Once you're registered, this is where the magic happens. The app links up with the state's database and transforms those complicated food categories into these really easy-to-read gauges under the My Benefits tab. You can literally just look at your screen and see exactly how many ounces of whole grains or jars of peanut butter you have left. It's incredibly satisfying. Next up, Section 4, Alternative Ways to Check. Because hey, options are always good. While WIC Shopper is the main go-to, the state actually has a pretty robust digital setup with a few different paths you can take. This table is a great breakdown of the 3 apps Tennessee cardholders use most. So MyWIC is great if you need to schedule clinic appointments. And Propel is cool if you want to see your standard EBT and your WIC together. But look at that bottom row for barcode scanning. WIC Shopper is the clear winner here because it gives you real-time quota verification. It doesn't just say this is WIC approved, it tells you if it's approved for you based on your exact remaining balances right then and there. But what if you don't want to use an app at all? No worries, you still have completely solid backup options. You can check the very bottom of your last grocery receipt. It always prints out your remaining balance.
You can swipe your card at a balance terminal inside an authorized store, or you can just hop on a computer and log in to the state's online web portal. You're covered no matter what. Okay, Section 5, Pro Tips and Troubleshooting. Even with the best tech in the world, sometimes things get weird at the grocery store, so let's make sure you're shopping with total confidence. I cannot stress this enough. Using the scanner inside the WIC Shopper app is an absolute lifesaver, but you have to know how to read it. If it scans and says allowed, like 64 allowed, you are golden. It means the item is approved and you have enough balance for it. But if it says insufficient benefits, back away from the item. That means even if it's technically a WIC product, your specific family balance doesn't have enough quota for it left this month. Knowing that difference right in the aisle saves so much awkwardness at checkout. Do me a huge favor and literally screenshot this right now. We all know grocery stores are basically black holes for cell service. If your internet completely drops and the app won't open, these phone numbers are your ultimate backup plan. See that top number? That's the primary customer service balance line. You just call it, punch in your card number, and an automated voice will read your balance back to you, totally offline. Oh, and here's a massive pro tip. To make sure those benefits keep loading onto your card every single month without a hitch, you have to connect with your clinic twice a year. But for the stuff in between, you can knock out your required nutrition education right from your couch using the WIC Smart portal on your phone. You just log in with your eWIC ID. It's incredibly convenient. Wow, we have covered a lot of ground today. Let's wrap things up with Section 6, Summary and Important Disclaimer. Here is your ultimate cheat sheet for success. Number 1, your benefits vanish at midnight on the last day of your cycle. Use them or lose them. Number 2, rely on that WIC Shopper app for real-time visual tracking. 3, scan those items in the aisle to avoid register friction. And 4, keep that 1844 number handy just in case the Wi-Fi completely drops. Stick to these and you'll be a grocery shopping pro. And of course, our quick evergreen reminder. The info in this explainer is completely accurate right now, but you know how tech and state policies go, they evolve. Always check in with the official TN.gov websites or your local WIC clinic for the absolutely most current rules, food lists, and updates. So, are you ready to stop guessing and start maximizing? Go ahead and download that app today, because every single ounce of nutrition matters for your family's future. Keep that app handy, keep your balance in check, and take total control of your next grocery run. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer, and hey, happy shopping!